What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. The equation I selected for you in this video is sine theta times cosine 2 plus cosine x cosine theta times sine 2 equals to negative half. And I need to solve it for theta between 0 and 2 pi. So I need to solve this trigonometric equation. If you remember from compound angles, we have sine x plus y, that's going to be equal to sine x times cosine y plus sine y times cosine x. That's going to be equal to sine x plus sine x plus y. We have exactly the same thing here. So I can write it as sine theta plus 2 equals to negative 0.5. So since sine pi over 6 is 0.5, we can say that this theta plus 2 is related to pi over 6. Sine is negative in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So we have here, this part is pi over 6. This part is pi over 6, so one answer is pi plus pi over 6. One answer is 2 pi minus pi over 6. So theta plus 2 is going to be pi plus pi over 6. And the other one is 2 pi minus pi over 6. So that's 7 pi over 6. And here 11 pi over 6. So theta equals to 7 pi over 6 minus 2 and 11 pi over 6 minus 2. So if I want to write in terms of decimals, it's going to be 7 times 3.14 divided by 6 minus 2. That will be 1.66. And the other one, 11.3.14 divided by 6 minus 2. That will be 3.76 radian. So these are the two answers in terms of radian. If you want to find in terms of degrees, I need to convert it to degrees. So I multiply it by 180 and divide it by 3.14. So that's going to be 95 degrees. And here 3.76 times 180 divided by 3.14, that will be 215 degrees. So these are the two answers in terms of radian and in terms of degree for theta. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.